In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Hotels.com customer service chat phone. If you need help with a reservation, cancellation, refund, changes, rewards, or a technical issue, there are two official ways to reach support: by phone and through live chat on the website. I'll walk you through both and share tips to make the process smoother. Let's start with phone support. Go to the official Hotels.com website and navigate to the Support or Contact Us page. There, you'll see the current customer service phone number for your region, such as the United States or Canada. Use only the number listed on that official page. Avoid third-party sites that may post outdated or incorrect numbers. When you call, follow the voice prompts. You can usually say agent or press 0 to get to a live representative more quickly. Have your booking confirmation number handy, along with the email on the account and basic trip details like dates and the property name. This speeds up verification and helps the agent find your reservation fast. If a number appears busy or isn't working, return to the official Contact Us page and try another regional or alternate number shown there. For the best chance of a short wait time, consider calling during non-peak hours. If your issue is complex, politely ask for a case or reference ID at the end of the call and keep brief notes on what was discussed. If needed, you can request escalation to a supervisor. As a security tip, never share your full payment card number or account password over the phone. Provide only what the agent requests for verification. Now, let's use the live chat option. On the Hotels.com Support or Contact Us page, look for a Chat with Us or Help button, often in the lower corner of the screen. Clicking it opens the virtual assistant. Start by describing your issue and entering your booking confirmation number when prompted. If the automated assistant doesn't resolve your question, type something like agent or live agent to be transferred to a person. You may be asked to sign in for account-specific help, which can make it easier for the agent to view your trip details. Keep the chat window open until the conversation ends and consider saving the transcript for your records. That's it. Use the official phone number listed on the Hotels.com website or the built-in live chat to get assistance. Stick to the official site, have your confirmation number ready, and ask for a case ID for any complex issues.